Hello, friends. Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Today, we will come up with one more topic from the Louise Hay Positive Affirmations book. Today's topic is letting go of past. Is there, first, before going letting it go, is there any use if we keep the past in our mind? Past is gone. You can't change it. Past is a history only. You can't change it, right? So what is the use, right? Even though however bad or however sorrowful it is, if you are keeping it, what you are doing is you are actually remembering, means you are actually rewinding, or you are making a record of the what happened in the past again and again, and you are feeling bad, because of which who is hurting, what you are losing? You are losing the current moment, because you are remembering the past something, because you are feeling bad about it. So you are actually losing the present moment, which you can experience beautifully, which you can do miracles. So it is a very important to release your past, to enjoy today. What happened to today, we have to, what is there in our hand is today. We have to enjoy today. So we have to let go of past, what has happened, because they cannot, without leaving the past, you cannot live the life fully. Okay, because somebody hurt you, or because somebody did not accept your love, because somebody you could not love. Okay, these are all the negative statements that you are keeping up in your life. Can you make that day again? When you cannot make that day again, what is the issue, or what makes you happy keeping that? There are people, right? Oh, nobody called me for prom in my high school, so they're still feeling bad. Or nobody loved me when I'm in the college, still feeling. You have still more life, right? Or I'm no longer married, so what? You have so many other things that you can do it, right? Why are you actually doing feeling that that past, keeping it that past? Why are you feeling it? Or you failed in first audition, so I don't do any auditions. Oh, I did very horrible in the first audition, so I can't do it. Yeah, you are the engaged that time. You may be nervous, you couldn't do well, but there is always scope for improvement. Forget it. You can do the today. So is there any, or I stole something, I have to be punished now because at that time nobody know it. Or I born as a poor child, so I can't do anything. These are all the limitations or limiting thoughts that you are making for yourself. So there is no use of taking that and keeping it in your life. Somebody said something. Do you think that they remembered you? Whoever you are saying they won't remember. They moved on their life. They are living happily. Only thing who is hurting here by remembering all the past, it's you. You are hurting unnecessarily. So it is not required to keep the past and ruin your present. Friends, remember, there is no use at all. So just it is a foremost thing is we have to let go of our past. Then only you will have some space in your life, so that you can fill up your life with all the positive thoughts. Okay, so release all the past is other thing. Suppose I'll say one small thing, right? What dress you wore in the elementary? Do you remember? Even if you remember, do you have any attachment? You just see, okay, I wore that. That's all right. Similarly, whatever the thing that has happened in the past, that is an event in the past. Just take that as an event. Do not have any attachment on that. That attachment will ruin your life, will kill your mind, not the somebody else mind. So just letting it go. All the past events, you just letting it go. You don't need to punish yourself because something happened in the past. To do an exercise, right? Let us take black and white is always help you. Take a pen and paper. Write down what are the things that you want to let go. How much you are willing to let go of the things. When you are willing to let go of the things, notice your reactions. Write those reactions also. Okay, what you have to do in order to let go of the things, what you have to do. For each time, for each thing you wrote down, write a positive affirmation against to it. Suppose, I did very horrible in the audition. I cannot do the audition. I want to let it go. That is your thing, right? What you have to do? You have to gather all your courage to go to the audition again. Now that happened in the past 10 years back or 5 years back. Now you are so much matured. You can sing well, or you can go to the audition very good now. So you make a positive affirmation and go again. Okay, in that way, for each and every thing that you want to let go, write a positive affirmation and make it. Another exercise that you can letting it go, right? I'll make a physical letting it go. Small exercise you can do with me. Take a deep breath and letting it go. When you are letting it go, just release all your negative thoughts. Okay, letting it go. Release all the thing that you are releasing all the negative thoughts. Relax your forehead, relax your scalp, relax your shoulders, relax your hands, relax your legs, relax your pelvis, relax your feet. Sit comfortably. So just do this exercise in a few seconds, right? How do you feel? Are you not feeling a bit relaxed? So when physically a breath, if you can do it, if you do the same thing for your mind by releasing all your past. See, I am willing to let go of my past. I'm releasing. I'm making it, let it go. I'm releasing my tension. I'm releasing my fear. I'm releasing my sadness. I'm releasing my guilt. I am releasing all my old limitations. I'm let it go. I'm let it go. I'm safe. I'm at peace. I'm with peace myself. I'm peace at the process of life. I'm safe in the universe. Whatever I need, the universe will give me. These are the when you have this kind of confidence, why to worry about the past, right? This is the one example that we did, the physical, how important to release the physical releasing also, right? Suppose in the past, when you want to release something, you are so much anger on somebody. Okay, how to release them? He is no more here, somewhere. You don't know how to release them. Go in your car, pull up your windows and then shout at him, or shout at her. Show all your emotion. Okay, that let it go. Or go to your bedroom, take a pillow. If you want to punch him or her, do it. Then release all your emotions. In this way, you can release physically. There is an example saying one person is feeling hurting in the shoulder. He is thinking, why this pain came? I didn't do anything. I didn't pull anything. What happened? Then he is saying, he keep on observing the shoulder. Then he feel like it's burning. What is that burning? Why when it comes? So there is a anger within him. So where that anger, he doesn't know where that anger. So he took 2 pillows and he started punching. After 10 or 12 punches, he got to know where that anger came. With the reason he punched more, he released all the anger. Then suddenly he feels that there's no shoulder pain, which means that as long as, what did you understand from this exercise? When you are keeping your physical, means when you are keeping all your negative emotions within yourself, those negative emotions are forming as a blocks in your body. When those are all the blocks, then you are unable to, right? Because those blocks are there. Where does it go? It is stopping. So it's stopping your blood flow. So they are making a pain. So all your pains, that is by many times they'll say like 90% or 99% are psychosomatic diseases. Why? Because of all these emotions, negative emotions you are keeping within yourself is only coming up. Okay, so we have to release, like we have released all this, like what we release the physical emotion, right? Once you release all the emotions, then your mind will be free. Okay, when your mind is free, then you can fill up all the mind with the positive emotion, positive thoughts and positive things. So what are the affirmations to let go of the past? How we can let go? What are the positive? I'll give you the few affirmations, and you can take 1 or 2, write down your refrigerator or wherever you want to see daily, and make it a positive life. Let go of your past. The past is over, you cannot change it. Remember, past is over, you cannot change it. The present is the gift. So try to live in the present moment. I will live in my present moment. I now choose to release all my negative, destructive, fearful thoughts from my mind in my life. Once again, I choose to release all my negative, destructive, fearful thoughts from my mind in my life. Okay, I'm in the process of healing, so I release all my emotions. Whatever the emotions that I kept in myself, I'm releasing all my emotions as I'm healing my life. I release the need of blame anybody. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm releasing the need of blaming anyone. My heart is open. I'm willing to release all my resistance also. Now I release anger in a positive ways. I love and appreciate myself. I move forward I move forward beyond the old limitations, and now I express myself freely and creatively. I'm willing to release the need of unworthy, and I'm becoming, and I destined to what I wanted to becoming. It is a safe for me to go beyond my parents' limitations. Now I am free from all these limitations. I release all my struggle. I'm at peace. I release my limitations based on old negative thoughts, and now joyfully I'm looking forward my future. Any negative thought come to my mind, I'm saying out. I'm commanding it out. Go out of my mind. I'm not letting it come to inside. Finally, I'm releasing. I'm not competing with anyone. I'm releasing the feelings of competitiveness with others or comparison with others. Competitiveness and comparison. Just remove from your mind. So let go of your past. These are all the positive affirmations that you can make. Take whatever is appropriate for you, whatever suits you most, 1 or 2 affirmations, and follow in your life. You will see the miraculous thinking that you are getting, because you are emptying your mind. All unnecessary things you are cleaning up. The unnecessary past you are cleaning up. Miraculously, you will have a lot of space in your mind, and you can think beautifully. Okay, friends. Tomorrow we'll come up with one more topic. Until then, thank you, thank you, thank you.